Professor Eric Mazur teaches physics at Harvard. Over the years, he discovered that students in his introductory physics course were passing exams without having understood the fundamental concepts he was trying to teach. In response to this problem, Professor Mazur developed a variety of interactive techniques linked to each other in ways that help his students learn basic concepts far better than before. Requiring students to read, think, and reflect before the lecture is the first step in Professor Mazur's interactive process. He also uses the course website to monitor their learning and communicate with his students.
I don't go into the classroom lecturing on what I think they need. No, they tell me what it is that they want me to cover.
It was helpful for Professor Mazur to answer those questions that we had. And sometimes, it didn't feel embarrassing at all if he addressed your specific question because the whole thing was anonymous.
So the idea is to teach by questioning rather than telling. I will talk a few minutes and then put on the overhead projector a question. And then I tell them, take a minute to think about it. They think about it. And after they've thought about it, I need to get some feedback on their answers. So turn to your neighbor and see if you can convince one another of the correct choice.
Right. It goes out of the page and the top goes in. Right. They cancel each other out. There is a torque. There is a torque.
How do you know that?
And B is down, so the force at the bottom would be clockwise. And in a sense, this process, this engagement, this teaching by questioning rather than by telling, forces students to develop these models in the classroom.
I think the lectures were really good, and it worked out really well, the idea of everyone teaching each other.
And we soon realized that, yes, we were picking up the material faster than we had in the previous physics course that we had all taken.
You can forget facts, but you cannot forget understanding. And that's actually exactly what I would like to achieve here. I want them to understand the subject so that they know it for the rest of their life.